Yes, Mr. Abhishek.
Because yesterday I had made submission that there are 5 constituent powers.
Yes.
And though, Lords, they are not at par. They are not at par with the original constituent power of the framers of the Constitution. My Lord Justice Khanna, my Lord, had put that query. And these powers, Lord, are derived, Lord, from the specific provisions of the Constitution. Therefore, they cannot be that unlimited as the original was. But that's not the question, Lord. Here, the question why I drew attention to the constituent powers was this: that looking at the nature of the power under the main part of 373, the proviso ought not to be construed, therefore, that with its lapse, the constituent power lapses. That was the intention, words.
Good.
Otherwise, yes, proviso is a limitation so long as the JKCA is alive. Its death does not mean the death of, or defunctness does not mean the defunctness of the main power. Now, the other thing is, my Lord, one more reason, and that is, my Lord, that since the policy of the framers of the Constitution and as reflected in the Constitution of India itself is to have federalism at par for all states. That is the basic feature of the Constitution, that and that alone. Not the asymmetries or the differences or the diversities which happen on account of special conditions of that area. Any power, a lot of difference which is founded on special conditions can never be permanent, because the moment the conditions will change, those provisions are apt to change. So there's no point, Lord, taking us not through all those provisions, Lord, relating to the Northeast, etc., or the tribal areas. Nobody claims permanence for them. They can always be amended. They came through the route of 368, they will go by the route of 368. Here the problem is 368 is barred and it says signpost is go to 370. The proviso. Now, this power to federalize at par, therefore, is a core idea of the basic feature of federalism. So, the main part itself, Lord, represents a power which is a core part of the basic feature of the Constitution, but can't disappear because some subordinate body comes to an end. Now, so far as constituent power is concerned, I will not read. Lord, your lordships are well aware of Yeshwan and Bharti. May I just give the paragraphs, Lord, on which I am relying? Lord, Justice Hegde's judgment, Justice Sikri, Lord, Justice Shelet, Lord, they did not express any view on Golaknath, Lord, perhaps because they were members of Golaknath, Lord. And 10 judges overruled it. Justice Hegde, Lord, this paragraph 640, 647, and 674.
Repeat the first two paragraphs again.
640, 647,
640.
640, 647, 674. In 647, he takes note of the objective resolution, my Lord, for arriving at, and as the additional factor. The Justice Ray, para 783, 697, 819.
Can you repeat, Mr. Ready?
Justice read para 783, 797, 819. Then Justice Jagan Mohan Reddy 1121 and 1124. Justice Palekar, paragraph 1231. 1231. Justice Khanna, paragraph 1378. Justice Matthew,
Just repeat Justice Khanna's paragraph.
Justice Khanna 1378.
Yes.
Then Justice Matthew 1573, 1580, 1603, 1715. Then Justice Dwivedi Mullers is 1876 to 1878.
1876.
1876 to 1878. That is 1876, 1877, 1878.
Mr. Dwivedi, paras 1876 to 1878 bind you completely.
Yes, you cannot take a different view.
So I'm not taking it. And then Justice Y.V. Chandrachud Mullard.
I should have realized what was coming.
1876. Your Lordships noted 1904 also noted Justice Dwivedi.
No, 1904.
Then Justice Y.V. Chandrachud Mullards 2068, para 2068.
And what is the principle which you are relying
They described what is a constituent power. So the power which enables amendment of the provisions of the Constitution, be it a derived constitutional power, it is the nature is constituent. The fact that it vests in Parliament or it vests in the President being in the head of the executive,